Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to bookmark a tweet. Okay, so here we are on Twitter. You can do this on the desktop app or the mobile app, but there's kind of a feature that has gone unnoticed, and that is bookmarking. So as you can see over here in the left column, we have bookmarks. Also on the mobile app, if you just swipe over, you're going to be able to access your bookmarks. So I can go to my bookmarks here. I think I only have one tweet bookmark just to test it out. But you can also, like tweets, and I've bookmarked things that way in the past. So here's some tweets that I've liked. But sometimes you don't want to like something, you just want to kind of bookmark it. You want to say, oh, that's interesting, I'll save that for later and I can come back and look at it. So let's say this one right here, I wanted to bookmark this. What you want to do is click on this icon right here, the little share looking icon. And then you're going to get some options. You just want to do add tweet to bookmarks. It's going to say tweet was added to bookmarks. So now if we go back to the bookmarks, there it is. It's been added in there. So this bookmarks tab will just save all of the things that you bookmarked. So it's a nice addition. I think a lot of people don't even know this exists, just because when you scroll through the feed, there's no bookmark button. Like we've got a like button, retweet, comment, but there's no bookmark unless you tap on this and you know about it. And if you primarily use the mobile app, if you don't swipe over to the menu, you probably won't see that bookmarks exist. So there it is, how to bookmark a tweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. There's also a Twitter playlist with tons of Twitter tutorials if you want to check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.